Mahinda kwa mahinda arimi a mbembe guku bururi-ini ni makoretwo magikayania magetha manini kumana na mbembe ciao gukorwo igitharikirwo ni tutambi, no mateta maya gukinya muthia thutha wa ataaramu wa urimi guku bururi-ini gutiriha uthuthuria wa mbegu njeru ya mbembe iria itarahuthira thumu. Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya urimi Professor Hamadi Boga mari na unyitaniri na honge itiganite sekta-ini ya urimi ni magwikinyitie mwena wa Kandara kaunti-ini ya Murang'a kunyabara urimi wa mbegu ino njeru ya mbembe mbere yayo kuhitukio ni ministry ya urimi gukorwo ikihuthirwo ni arimi.
Once we are through with this trial, because the approval to proceed with cotton was given, that the other projects will be approved on a case-by-case basis. So we are making the case here.
It is to show evidence that really these technologies far much work, they bring value, they contribute to food security and nutrition on this continent.
Na niguo gutaukwo makiria ciigie mbegu ino iria ikoretwo ikigirio ni ruhonge rwa uthuthuria wa urimi ni marahandire mbegu ino hamwe na mbegu iria arimi mahandaga, no mbegu ino ndinathukagio ni tutambi.
Very evident that you can't even compare the two, BT and then non-BT. You can see the way they have been ravaged, the other ones, and we don't want to put our farmers through that.
Mutaaramu wa Urimi KARLO James Karanja augite uguni uria kumana na kuhuthira mbegu ino ya mbembe ni munene, amu murimi ni arihotaga gukorwo akigetha ngunia nyingi cia mbembe ikiringithanio na ukabere na ikinyihia garama ya urimi, amu ndirabatara thumu.
Kamera atiriri twagirwo gukorwo kigetha ngunia 10, twagirwo gukorwo kigetha kuma ngunia kibao uthie na iguru. Mbembe ya twina haha ri ungikira bataraitha wega ri no rimire wega ri nake Ngai atuhe mbura ri no ukorwo nginya ukigetha ngunia 30 kuma 3 haha turi umuthi uyu. Koguo ri ni mbembe turauga ni kuongerera ona ni kuhe mwihoko murimi ucio tondu ni akuona magetha ni mongerereka.
The yield gap is key to the food and nutrition security pillar, but also it's key to increasing production for farmers. It's also key to supporting agro-processing so that our millers don't have to struggle to look for maize. And you can see if we just move from 1.5 to even 4, we'll double the amount of maize we produce in the country from 42 this year, 42 million bags, to about 80 million bags without increasing the area under production.
Karanja atianirie riboti cia ati mbembe ciumanite na muthemba uyu mweru wa mbegu ni ugwati kuri mwiri wa mundu.
Undu uria ri wa mani ati gutire hindi ithio tungikorwo twandikitwo ni thirikari na gutire hindi thirikari ingirehe kindu giguthukia andu ake tondu wake andu mangikireta teknology kuraga andu ri ona ucio twagikorwo na thirikari.
Ministry ya Urimi yahiukia uhuthiri wa mbegu ino Kenya igukorwo iri ya keri gitaro-ini kia Africa gukorwo ikihiukia uhuthiri wa mbegu ino thutha wa bururi wa South Africa. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjiru wa Foro.